Here I have lab 19 for E. coli. So this was taking a look at our antibiotics. Now with the antibiotics, we have specific standard measurements that we can use for susceptibility and intermediate and resistant. And I will make sure to attach a copy of those so that you have those, because it's not as arbitrary like it is for the disinfectants. So we'll look at our first one here, and I want to point out something that's happened here. So you can see this big zone around number 1, but we've got this kind of funky looking colony in here. This is going to be some type of contaminant. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but you'll notice that the colony appearance here is different from the look of the others. So this is some type of contaminant. So I'm not going to take this into effect when I'm measuring my zone for E. coli. So this looks like SXT, and it is going to be 27 millimeters. The next one is Cipro. Okay, so this one's Cipro. This one's got a huge zone in it. Let's see, probably from here to about, well, there to there, probably looking at about 20, 29 on that one. 3 doesn't appear to have one. And then the next one, number 4, looks like ampicillin, and you'll kind of see the same thing that we saw before, where we have a zone, but then we've got some resistant colonies that are really close. So I'll measure the zone, and then you'll want to make sure to add that there are resistant colonies in there. So my zone for ampicillin looks like 23. Okay. Now I've got C. I think that is chloramphenicol is the C one here. And I've got 27 for chloramphenicol. With vancomycin here, you can see that I don't have a zone, so that's going to be 0. Okay. Then I've got tetracycline. I've got a zone of 20 millimeters. And then S, I think this is streptomycin. I've got a zone of 22 millimeters.